Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Oligopolies are everywhere in economics, but do you know their defining trait? Let's break down this market structure and find the right answer fast. An oligopoly is a specific market structure dominated by just a few large firms. These major players hold significant market share, which makes their business decisions very impactful for everyone. This setup leads to mutual interdependence, meaning each firm must carefully watch its rivals. If one company changes a price, the others will likely react to keep their own customers. Option A describes a monopoly with one firm while our target requires a few. Option B fits the specific economic definition perfectly.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing, trust the given definitions, and check your steps.